Hello guys, how y'all doing? I wanted to make this experiment for a long time, I just didn't have time for it. But in the light of recent coronavirus outbreak, this experiment is actually an excellent illustration for children about the importance of washing their hands. And it's a super easy experiment that you can show your children at home. All you need for this is pepper, a plate with water, and a liquid soap or dish soap. And I have children myself, so when I showed that to them, they were pretty impressed. So first what we want to do is put pepper on the surface of the water. And not a lot, just enough so it would just float. Like this, I think it's enough. So this pepper and water will represent bacteria and viruses. So let's say my hands are dirty. What happens if I put my finger in there? Look at that. All the bacteria and viruses got stuck to my finger. Okay, but what happens if I wash my hands? Let's just do it this way. And I'm gonna put my finger in here. Look at that. See? All the pepper is on the sides, so all the bacteria and viruses are not able to approach my hands if I wash them. So moral of this cool experiment is how important it is to wash our hands, and not just this time, but every time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And liquid soap or dishwasher. Dish soap. What happens if I put my finger